Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 1722 Windows installer package error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the Windows installer service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows installer service, right click on it and then select start, or if it's already started then you can select restart. That's important. Now in most of the cases it will help. Why? Because the Windows installer service is not started by default. This will be very helpful, but if it doesn't help then you can re-register the service. So I have a set of commands. I will share them in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste them here and hit enter. The next solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.